Okay, you guys, welcome back. Sorry I haven't unboxed in 2 or 3 weeks, but I don't got no new trucks, but I got this new one today. Sharks vs. Dinos, 5-alarm guys, Team Shark. All these monster trucks new for 2025. Back of the card, we all know. Name, 5-alarm truck type city. Strength, super drench, fire nozzles, crash attack, fireball, stomp. All I need is a Radisaur Team Dino, Slam Pre, and Carbonator, and have the whole collection ready. In this case, will be complete for the year. Without further ado, let's go and open it. Okay. Here it is, guys. I love the water detail. Look at that. The dark blue roll cage, water on the tires. Dark blue rims and beadlocks. Dark blue tires. The blue ladder has water on the side of the paint. Chrome. The front says fire. Pretty nice. Dark blue chassis. It says Hot Wheels 68 on the back. So yeah, guys, that's all I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.